Welcome to our deep dive into controlling component updates in React using the shouldComponentUpdate lifecycle method. In the dynamic world of web development, React stands out for its efficient rendering with the virtual DOM. But as applications scale, understanding how to optimize component updates becomes crucial. This is where shouldComponentUpdate becomes invaluable. Today, we'll explore this method's role in enhancing performance, especially in complex UIs. Whether you're maintaining a legacy codebase or working with modern React applications, mastering this concept will empower you to create more efficient user interfaces. So, let's embark on this journey to harness the full potential of React's component lifecycle. To fully understand shouldComponentUpdate, let's imagine a busy highway. Cars represent data updates, and traffic lights control the flow. In React, the default behavior is like an evergreen light, allowing all cars to pass without checks. This can cause congestion, or in React terms, unnecessary re-renders. shouldComponentUpdate acts like a smart traffic light, deciding which cars should proceed based on specific conditions. This method accepts two parameters, nextProps and nextState. By comparing them with current props and state, you determine if a component should re-render. Imagine a dashboard updating in real time. Without control, every data change would trigger a full re-render, creating performance bottlenecks. Utilizing shouldComponentUpdate, you ensure only relevant changes prompt re-renders, maintaining smooth performance. However, tread carefully. Overuse or incorrect logic can lead to stale data, much like a malfunctioning traffic light causing jams. As you navigate React's component lifecycle, shouldComponentUpdate equips you with the control needed to optimize rendering, ensuring your applications run efficiently. Let's see shouldComponentUpdate in action with a practical example. Consider a React application that updates dashboard data in real time. We have a main app component managing state and a dashboard component displaying data. The dashboard component contains our shouldComponentUpdate method, ensuring only necessary updates occur. Here's how it looks in code. Now, let's visualize how shouldComponentUpdate functions in our application. Imagine loading the dashboard, which initially displays data values. Over time, these values update. But thanks to shouldComponentUpdate, only components with actual data changes re-render. This selective updating prevents unnecessary processes, keeping the interface responsive. Picture watching a live broadcast where only presenters change while the backdrop remains static. This efficiency is what shouldComponentUpdate brings to your React applications, ensuring smooth, performance-optimized user experiences. In conclusion, shouldComponentUpdate serves as a powerful tool for optimizing component updates in React. By controlling when components re-render, you prevent performance hitches, especially in complex applications with real-time data. While modern hooks offer similar functionalities, understanding this method provides a foundational grasp of React's component lifecycle. As you embark on building or maintaining React applications, remember that efficient rendering leads to seamless user experiences. Experiment with shouldComponentUpdate to strike a balance between responsiveness and performance, ensuring your applications scale gracefully. Thank you for joining this exploration. Happy coding.